Are you crazy? Just ran a red light, you dumb.
Chồng kêu chồng đi chụp flu, kêu chích flu shot, chồng cũng không đi. Năm nay là chồng nên chờ nên chích đi. Xe bị đụng nữa rồi.
Mate, he got tools out, chucking bricks at his car.
He's gonna do it, look.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He's just chucked it through his window. What on earth is happening? He's throwing bricks. There. Oh my fucking god. This is brilliant. I've got this all on film. Oh my god. Oh my, what the? Mate, this is brilliant. They're gonna... Go on, give him a nudge. Is this guy what's he doing?
Did he eat it?
Videoing him. Mate.
I thought he ran him over.
Now turn right onto East Renner Road.
Why did it say
15 South Ramp.
여보세요? 동진아. 홈디포 갔다 왔니? 네. 그 영수증을 해가지고 나한테 보내주고. 조지 비금. 다시 전화할게. 옆에 사고 났다. show in years.
It had been about a year, and the last time was Norton before that.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I caught Louis C.K. too at the Improv. But, you know, to go out on purpose, we're going to go to see Dice tonight. Like, we're going to go see a show.
Like on purpose.
Yeah, and me and Norton and Bobby Kelly and Anthony.
Hello? Breckenridge Lane and Hikes Lane. Somebody shot through the intersection and T-boned a red Ford Taurus. It is a gray sedan. Both drivers are white females. The one in the gray sedan's out and talking. The one in the red car looks like she's pretty messed up. Yeah, the one that got hit. The lady in the gray car ran the stoplight. And they're out in the intersection and everything's blocked off. Thanks.
I have it on camera. Buddy. Pull over. What the?
This guy